What is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good Monday. And hope you guys had a good weekend. This weekend was a little lazy. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really do much. I didn't really leave the house. I was kind of working on a lot of things, a lot of YouTube videos. Actually, I was doing a lot of editing. If you guys follow and have been following me on social media, you guys know I traveled recently. So I went to St. Thomas. I also have a video of me surprising my dad with that trip. So it was for my dad. And I got a car video I need to upload, and I also have, what was the other one? Oh, the moving to Miami video that I'm gonna upload. So I have a few videos I've been working on this weekend. Been really prioritizing on YouTube recently. If you guys could tell. Excuse me, sorry. I've been trying to do the trade recaps, and here we are again for another trade recap. Today's the 27th of October. Monday, made about $3,500 today. 3,467 to be exact. And today was a really good day. I felt very confident going into the market and was kind of playing a little bit more aggressively, I guess you could say. But overall, I'm definitely happy with the result today. I'm going to go over my two biggest stocks today, which was the Rivn and the T. And then I want to go over this loss specifically. This was a scalp right here that didn't really work out, so I'm not really going to go over that. But this loss specifically, the ASSC, I want to go over because that could have been a killer play, but kind of messed it up, unfortunately. So, without a further ado, hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. If you guys do, like I always say in every video, please like the video and leave a comment if you guys have any questions. I definitely would feel free to ask because I'm here. I'm a free resource for you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, guys, so first thing we're going to go over today is going to be the Rivn. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys know that I've been trading this the past few weeks, or I guess the last week or so, as a scalp, guys. This has been on my scalp watch list for the past couple days, or the past week, sorry, and pretty much caught this today. So I definitely want to show you guys where I ended up catching it. It was very slow today until a certain point. So let me pull up the 5 minutes pretty clear. So this is the 5 minute candle or 5 minute chart over here. 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. So right here, guys, you guys can see this thing was moving up all day. Q's barely moved today. They gapped up on Friday and then gapped up today. Didn't really move at all. Like just been grinding higher very tightly. So this thing was kind of moving higher as well with the market. Like I said, we trade stocks. So stocks are a little bit influenced by the market. So we like to use the market to our advantage and not actually trade the market, if that makes sense. So we trade stocks that kind of fluctuate with the market, if that makes sense. So caught this Rivn, saw the Rivn was pretty readable, ended up taking it. You guys could see these big jumps too. So this thing likes to move a lot. And this is why I've been like to play this because it has a lot of volume, and typically stocks that have a lot of volume, and if they're readable, it's like a very deadly duo. We can definitely make a lot of money on those opportunities because they have a lot of volume. So, for example, like I'm just gonna pick a random candlestick right here at 11:10. You guys can see it opened up at 13:20 and closed at 13:35 in 5 minutes. So it moved 15 cents in 5 minutes, guys. That's just an example of kind of what I do and what I catch. I try to catch those 15-cent moves and try to capitalize on them. So I might be using 2K shares, 4K shares, 8K shares, 12K, who knows? But pretty much that's like what I do with these stocks. And I happened to get a couple moves on it, guys. I caught it in the morning a little bit. And then this was my main move right here. I got in a little bit earlier. I saw that it was basing. It was showing bullish momentum, guys. So this is what I saw right now, or at that time of 120. I saw this bullish momentum. I made a really big move higher. Missed out on that. It was basing. I got in here around 42, and you guys can see it rallied up to all the way up to 67. So very self-explanatory. I killed some around here around 59 when it started to base, and then kind of just let some of my position roll until 1367, and played a move lower as well, guys. You could caught it back lower, which is good. It was getting a little extended. You guys can see. Let me show you guys how it was extended. Let me see. Right there, you guys could see how extended it is from the 20 MA. And what did it do? Came right back down, played it lower. So that's a little bit about that, Rivn. I went a little bit more into detail with the stocks, or with the scalp, just because I know you guys have been commenting a little bit more about how I actually do scalp. So here's a little quick, easy example. Next one we're going to go over is the T, which was also another scalp today. The T moved higher as well. You guys could see actually gapped on, what was it, on Thursday or Wednesday. So this was on my watch list from then. I was trading it because it gapped down, and I like that it was kind of making new lows, you guys can see. So anyways, like I said, market was moving higher all day today. What did this thing do? It actually gapped. Where did it gap? Did it gap today? Yeah, it did gap. Well, I guess it did. I don't know. It kind of did a huge move this morning. I didn't even catch that. I didn't even know it did that. You guys could see a huge candle. Huge. Went to 24 to, whatever it is, 25 roughly. So, 24.32 to 25. But anyways, guys, caught this as a scalp as well. You guys could see all day. It was kind of moving a lot. Went up. I caught this around 10 o'clock. Moved all the way down. Look at this huge move lower, guys. Huge move. And rest of the day, it kind of was chopping around. I didn't really catch it, but made about $800 from the morning on it. So I was up good going into the afternoon. And, felt really good. Last stock we're going to go over today is the ASST, which was a little bit of a bummer, but I'm going to pull it up and show you guys. This stock was a gapping play, you guys could see. Moving a lot. Very crazy, actually. I didn't even realize since May. January, February, March, April. Yeah, May. May to like September-ish. You guys could see huge candlesticks and stuff. But this thing ended up gapping up today. And I saw the 20 of May was into a little bit of resistance in the morning. And what price was that at roughly? It was at like roughly 155. And once it actually got there, it broke through it. Crazy. So actually it was like 154. So I tried playing this, guys. It would have been a killer move, like I said. A lot of people in the Discord today made a lot of money on this because it was called out as a gap play. It was on our gap watch list today. And once it broke that 20 MA, you guys could see it popped from like 154 to 165, guys. Like just like that, pretty much. So if you would have got in size, like I said, it was readable. You could have made a lot of money on that. But the main move I lost today, guys, was this right here. I'm going to show you. When it broke this level at 165, you guys could see this is exactly what I saw before it broke. This is exactly what I saw. 20 MA looked great, and looks like it was about to break the 165 mark. It broke, and it broke it very well. I was in this, guys, and I ended up killing it, and I FOMO'd back in and lost. So like I said, guys, I always like to be transparent, and I want to tell you guys when I do make mistakes. Today, I got in. I was up about, I think I was down originally in the day. I was down around 250 in the morning, and made it all back plus 250. I think I was up $300. And then ended up giving it back, so I lost pretty much $425. So, little unfortunate, guys. I kind of FOMO'd in. I got in early entry, like I said. And once it broke, I was in size, but I wasn't in enough size. And I FOMO'd in. I added all the way at the top, and I shouldn't have. And when it flipped on me, you guys could see how largely it flipped on me. I lost a lot more money. So, a little unfortunate, but I'm glad that I only lost on the day $125. But like I said, this could have been easily a $2,000, $3,000 stock today if I would have traded it well. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's recap video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, this is a new week, third week going on to doing this. So definitely happy I have some videos out there kind of showing my process and my strategy that I trade. And definitely looking forward to speaking with you guys. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely happily answer them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.